Ranging from manual to electric roll tarps and hopper conversions, AGRI-COVER has the solution for you. The SRT2 spool roll tarps are tested across North America in windy conditions and extreme climates, trusted by the fertilizer industry for over 3 decades, and guaranteed to be free of defects and craftsmanship. For quick and easy ordering, we offer dedicated part numbers for tarp kits engineered to fit OEM application equipment with new leader boxes like John Deere, Case IH, AGCO, RBR, and Selford, just to name a few. Operate your system with ease and upgrade your manual tarp. AGRI-COVER has electric tarp conversion kits available to increase your productivity and allow for a safer operation. This year we released bin dividers designed to assist you from filling to application. Integrated into 7 or 12-inch bows and manufactured from 304 stainless steel to prevent bin overflow and keep your fertilizers separated. We also released the EZ-LOC HD Roll Tarp for tenders over 28 feet. Engineered with 3-inch aluminum roll tube for a faster, straighter roll and paired with an in-roll tube cable return to provide exceptional performance in all weather conditions. Here at AGRI-COVER, we pride ourselves in delivering reliability with every roll.